conversation, sir.
Conversation,
Survey conversation.
yeah,
Survey.
we should continue. We have to continue the conversation that we started yesterday. Conversation about
Yes, sir.
making the free time activity survey, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, who is going to speak? I think Mrs. Veer was
Yes,
done
sir. May I
yesterday.
speak?
Yes, of course, sir.
Yes.
I think Mr. Veer time was over yesterday.
Yes, he was done.
No.
Mr. Rajesh,
Hello,
hello,
yes, sir.
Rajesh sir, are you here?
Yes, yes, sir.
How often do you read newspaper?
I read a newspaper daily.
Sir, sorry, Rajesh sir. May I ask question of the your earlier question of Mr. Veer or ask new question, sir?
Yes, sir. You can ask questions different from the previous one.
And and I should repeat all the questions with all the participants.
Because every time you can't create new question for every person. Can you?
No, sir. It's very difficult.
Yeah, it's
And
difficult. That's why.
if I use new questions, then I will not make a survey.
Yes, of course, it will not become a survey. In the survey, every
I will.
participant is asked the same question.
Yes. Mr. Rajesh, how often do you read newspaper?
I read newspaper daily. I prefer financial times.
And how often do you go to restaurant in a week?
No, I do not go to restaurant on weekly basis. Uh, whenever
Your voice is not clearly audible, Rajesh, sir. There is hissing sound from your side.
am I clear? Am I audible?
You are audible, but keep your mic away from your mouth.
No, no, no. I
Little.
have already keep it in my hand.
Now it's clear.
Okay. I do not go to a restaurant on a weekly basis, but whenever my family, my children wants to go to take dinner or any type, then I prefer go to restaurant.
I prefer,
Prefer to go
yes,
to I prefer to go to restaurant.
and better say I prefer going to.
I prefer going to restaurant.
Yes.
I prefer going to, yes, sir.
What will be the frequency, Mr. Rajesh?
It may be monthly or
So, uh, can I note down the once in a week, once in a month?
once in a month. You can write. You can note it, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Rajesh. And next question, how often do you go to gym?
No, sir. I do not go to gym because actually
You are,
I have some
you are
problem
very
to go
sincere
out.
about your health, sir.
Sorry, sir.
You are very sincere about your health, sir.
Yes, sir. But I have a treadmill in my home, and just I use it.
Very good, sir. You are more, you are more sincere than Mrs. Veer.
How can you say like that, sir? Mrs. Veer is very sincere about her health or anything you can say.
Yes.
Health
Yes.
conscious. Health conscious
Health.
is a word.
Health,
She is
health,
very health
health conscious.
conscious.
Yes, I am.
I think most of the ladies are. and rather they are look conscious. Am I right, Mrs. Veer?
Right, sir.
Next question, Mr. Rajesh.
Yes, sir.
Often do you play outdoor games?
No, sir. I do not play outdoor games, sir.
And how often do you go to cinema in a week?
No, sir. I also do not like to go to cinema in theater. Whenever
I feel like
I
watching.
want to,
I
I
feel like,
feel
listen to me kindly. I feel like watching TV. मेरा टीवी देखने का मन करता है. I feel like watching movies. मेरा मूवी देखने का मन करता है.
just a minute, sir. Just I feel
Like
like
plus
like
before. Like like plus before.
before. When I feel like watching movie,
जब भी मेरा टीवी मूवी देखने का मन करता है,
I use my home theater.
okay,
I use my
home theater. Okay, very good.
How often do you read the storybooks in a week or in a day?
Generally, I read not a story. You can say I use generally read some books on daily basis. Whether it is political or it may be finance, but I prefer financial stories.
Articles, sir. Financial articles.
Financial articles or law articles.
Okay.
Generally, I read on daily basis.
Okay.
Do you read these books in your free time or in a routine work?
It's my routine work. So generally, I study the uh, cases decided by high courts and supreme courts in a law journal. I generally use on daily basis.
Yes. May I note down you read storybooks or a story related to general public concerns in a week, once in a week or
No, sir. I read case laws. Actually, you can say case laws, which is decided by high courts and supreme court. Actually, I purchased it monthly. PL jar. It is said in which there are cases decided by the courts.
Thank you, Mr. Rajesh, for the for participation in the survey.
Thank you.
Mr. Rajesh, are you here?
Whom are you asking for, Prakash sir?
I'm asking to Abhishek, Mr. Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
How often do you read newspaper in a week?
I in a week, 7 day in a week. I every day read newspaper.
Very good. And how often do you go to restaurant?
I hardly go to restaurant.
And how do you go to gym?
I don't go to gym.
And how do you go? How often do you go to outdoor games in a week or in a day?
How often do you play outdoor games?
How do you play outdoor games? Yes, sir.
Before Corona, we used to go, but nowadays I don't go.
Stay in.
I stay in here.
Yeah.
How often do you go to cinema in a week or in a month?
You don't need to say every time in a month. How often means he will say either in a month or in a week. He himself will give the answer, sir.
Mm. सर इसको कैसे कहें कि अभी तक मैं सिर्फ 2 ही बार गया हूँ सिनेमा देखने।
मैं सिनेमा गया हूँ. Make the translation of this. I have been to the cinema.
हाँ,
So far, अभी तक only 2 times.
yeah, I have been for a cinema 2
नहीं,
times.
to the cinema. I have been to the cinema.
I have been to the cinema
So far.
so
अब
far.
तक. So far means अब तक. Only 2
So
times.
only 2 times.
So far means अब तक. S-O so F-A-R far. So far. I have been to the cinema. I have been to the theater only 2 times so far, or so far only 2 times. Their position can be interchanged. Okay. Very nice. Continue, please.
How often do you read a storybook?
When I was a child, I used to read, but nowadays I don't read the storybooks.
So, do you have any habit of reading, Abhishek? Or
Yes,
any-
I read my um, uh, books, competition book, and
books of your syllabus, right? Or
yeah,
for the-
yes, book
for-
of my syllabus.
Yeah, for the preparation of your examination, right?
Yes, sir. For the preparation of my exams.
Okay, good, good. Go ahead. There is some noise on my side. I'm just muting my mic. Resume, please.
Thank you, Mr. Abhishek.
Okay.
Mr. Rajnandani, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. How often do you read newspaper?
I read newspaper every day.
Really?
Yes.
Good, very good.
Which newspaper you read?
Do you read
Do you read?
Hindustan.
Hindi newspaper?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You must read English newspaper, Mr.
Yeah,
Rajnandani.
you should. You
You are
should.
you are in a course of English. Spoken English. How often do you go to restaurant?
No, sir. I never go.
I never
How
go to the
often,
restaurant.
how often do you go to gym?
I used to go to the gym.
Earlier, but not now.
How how often do you play outdoor games?
I never play outdoor game.
Do you know what? Do you know how to play badminton?
Yes.
It's a outdoor
You
game.
know how to play badminton, but you have never played Rajanandini, right?
But I never play. Yes.
Good.
How do you
Touch wood, but today everybody's internet is good.
Yes, sir.
how often do you go to cinema?
I have never gone to the cinema.
I have never been to the cinema. I promised Rajnandini that one day I will take her to the cinema hall and I will show her how the cinema hall looks like.
I will accompany you, sir.
So nice. Thank you, Mrs. V.
How often do you read a storybook?
In childhood, I read, but not now.
Okay.
Yes. Miss Mane, are you here?
Yes, Prakash sir.
Yes, Miss Mane. How often do you read newspaper?
I never read newspaper.
Very good. So restaurant.
When I feel like eating in restaurant.
But how
Is there any
often?
certain frequency? How often?
No, sir.
Whenever you feel like. Sometimes it may be 2 times in a day.
No, sir. Like
Like
Once in a year?
once in a year or once in a week,
no, sir. Once in a month.
once in a month. Sure.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
And how often do you eat golgappas on the at the
Sir,
thela wala?
sir, sometimes twice in a week. I mean, yes, sir.
Okay, dear. Continue, sir. Prakash, sir, continue, please.
How often do you go to gym?
I don't go to gym.
How often do you play outdoor games?
After everybody completes his or her survey, I would also like to ask a few questions to everybody.
Nowadays, I never play outdoors games.
Is it because
How
of
often?
Corona?
No, sir. Is it because of mobile?
Okay, great. It's true. Most of the children have left going out only because they waste their time with the mobile. Continue, Prakash, sir, please. Your questions are very
How
good, sir.
often do you go to? How often do you read storybook?
Twice in a week.
Even
Which storybook do you read?
movie.
Sir, it's my
Syllabus book.
yes, sir, syllabus book uh,
Who is your favorite
like
author?
like Tempest, sir.
Okay, Tempest.
And
The
yes,
Tempest.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And will you please
And
tell me who is your favorite author?
sir, Shakespeare, sir.
Shakespeare. Why do you like Shakespeare?
Because he was writing very famous book,
He was
and
writing very famous books.
yes, sir.
He was
Uh,
writing or he wrote?
sir, he wrote very famous books, and
Okay. How childish the reason you are giving. Hmm?
and and sir, the story is very good, sir. But sir,
Thank you, Miss Mane, for the give a participation in a survey. And Mr. Tejas Raj, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Why are you not calling my name, Prakash sir?
Yes, Mr. Ji, you are a star of the.
I'm eagerly waiting for my name.
You are the star of the day. Then you must give answer in a very strategic way.
सवाल क्या है मैम कि प्रधानमंत्री अगर पहले बोल देंगे तो बाकी लोग सुनने के लिए रहेंगे नहीं, भाग जाएंगे सब.
Oh,
And fine for
लास्ट में बोला जाता
fine for Rajesh sir for speaking Hindi.
yes, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes. We forgot.
Continue, Prakash sir. I am just noting down everybody's name who is to pay the fine for speaking Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Tejas.
Yes, sir.
How often do you read newspaper?
I read newspaper daily.
How often do you go to restaurant?
I hardly go to restaurant.
And how often do you go to gym?
I never went to gym.
I never went to gym or go to gym.
Go to gym.
Yes, correct.
How often do you play outdoor games?
I play outdoor game in my childhood, but nowadays I am not playing any outdoor game.
It is wrong sentence. Now I don't play any outdoor games. Now I don't play. अब मैं नहीं खेलता हूँ. मैं खेलता था. I used to play or I played when I was a child, but now I don't play. Continue, sir.
How often do you go to cinema?
Uh, I hardly go to cinema, but before lockdown I go to cinema.
I went to the cinema.
I went to cinema 1 or 2 times, but nowadays I am not going to cinema.
And how often do you read storybooks?
I hardly read storybooks.
Do you have a habit of reading?
Yes, sir.
What generally do you read then?
I read generally newspaper.
Okay. Sir, continue please.
Your participation in survey. Yes, Mrs. Veer, are you here?
Yes, finally.
Thank you. And I have some question for you. How
Yeah,
often
please
do you
ask.
read- How often do you read newspaper?
I hardly ever read newspaper.
Because all the news comes to her table in the court. Right, ma'am. Because the news because the newspaper is full of the news only of murder, rape and dacoity and all the corruption. And all these things come to her table in the form of court cases, right, Mrs. Veer?
Right, sir. Absolutely right.
So she doesn't need to go through the newspaper, I think.
Yes, sir.
Rather, the journalist should consult her for taking the news.
But journalist news also come to my table, sir. Because there are some cases related to journalists.
Yes, of course. Nowadays more in India.
Yeah, sir.
In India. Yeah, continue, please, sir. Prakash, sir.
Yeah.
How often do you go to restaurant?
I go to restaurant twice a month.
Great. Means every 10 days.
15, sir.
Okay. Every 15 days.
Twice. Yes.
Okay, twice.
How
Which
often do you
restaurant
go
of
to
your
cinema?
town is your favorite, Mrs. Veer?
Sir, there is Manjeet restaurant.
Okay.
This one is favorite.
Any special reason behind liking this restaurant with the name of Manjeet?
First of all, my sister's name is Manjeet, sir.
Okay.
But I like because of their taste, sir.
Okay. Nice.
Yes.
Continue, sir. Please.
How often do you go to gym?
I used to go to gym before Corona, but I will join after 7.
How often do you play outdoor games?
I sometimes play outdoor games with my sister-in-laws.
What type of game it is? Is it?
So kids game like Chupan Chupai,
Hide and seek.
hide and seek. Yeah, sorry, hide and seek, badminton. That's it.
Hide and seek is a very interesting game, I think.
Yes, most interesting games.
Yes.
I think these type of games only played by children,
By
I'm also children of my
by children.
parents.
Okay, thank you, sir. How often do you go to cinema?
Before lockdown, I went to cinema once a month, but nowadays I'm inside. Inside, sir?
no,
In the house.
stay in.
What were
I
you?
generally stay
Stay.
in when I have
I
this.
generally,
I
yes.
don't go
I
out.
generally stay.
I don't go out.
No, sir, I go out, but I don't go
When you say
to.
go out means not with the purpose of work.
No, I go out like restaurant. That is also for outdoors.
Okay, okay. But you don't go to the cinema.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, do you like watching movie on the TV?
No, I don't like watching movie on TV because of ads and disturbance by made by families.
And my last question: how do you read? How often do you read storybooks?
I sometimes read novels. Read, yeah, novels, not storybooks.
Who is who is the favorite writer for you?
Who is your favorite writer?
I
Who is your favorite writer?
Chet- Chetan Bhagat.
Chetan Bhagat. Which books of Chetan Bhagat have you read, ma'am?
So I have read two state and two states.
Three Mistakes of My Life,
One
Half Girlfriend.
half girlfriend. Yes, sir, half girlfriend.
It's a very bad feeling to have a half girlfriend, right? One should either have a full, otherwise no. Hello. Hello.
And thank
Thank
you,
you
sir.
for asking, sir.
Great. Okay.
It's over, sir. Thank you.
It's over. Okay. Who's gonna ask the question next?
Sir, me.
Okay, Mania. And whom do you want to ask first?
Sir, Mrs. Veer.
Mrs.
Yeah,
Veer.
please.
Generally, Mania's
How-
target is Mrs. Veer. Generally.
How often do you brush your teeth?
Oh my God. Twice a day.
And if you ask me, Mania, I would say that I never feel like brushing my teeth. But I have to. But I have to. Otherwise, my mom will get angry. And of course, my wife too.
She will kick you out, sir.
When there is no class, I generally don't brush until 11 or 12 o'clock, and I keep eating till then.
Oh my God.
And no member of my family come close to me that day.
I can understand.
Mania, please continue. Mania, please continue. And I'll be giving my inputs here and there.
How often do you practice your English speaking?
Very good question. Very good question, Mania.
I practice daily dance.
But we are supposed to make a survey for free time activities. Do you think practice speaking English is a free time activity, Mania?
Yes, sir. Sir, Mrs. Veer having a time. That's why she is joining English class.
हाँ, आपको हिंदी में हम बोल रहे हैं, क्या आपको प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के अलावा किसी और टेंस से प्यार होगा कभी, मानिया?
Yes.
You use only present continuous tense, whatever the situation may be. It doesn't affect you. You very conveniently and comfortably put present continuous in your sentences. Rajesh sir has joined with another mobile. That's nice.
No, sir, no, sir. It's same mobile.
Okay, 2 times. But now one has logged out. It may be because
Due
of
to
internet issues.
yes, sir. Due to connectivity, sir.
Yes, yes. Continue, Mania.
You are suffering from cough and cold, sir.
Yes, yes. I was not in condition to take class, but after I joined the class, I am feeling much better and much more energetic.
It's your greatness, sir.
It's energy of you people, sir.
We transfer our energy to you, sir.
Yes, of course, ma'am. Thank you for that. I'm really grateful.
My pleasure, sir.
Mania, continue, please. I'll be giving my
Sir.
input in between. Yes, here and there.
Sir, what's your answer?
Hmm.
Sorry?
How often do you practice your English speaking?
I practice daily, darling.
Okay. How often do you eat paneer?
I eat paneer thrice a week.
How often do you visit your hometown?
I visit my hometown one quarterly.
How often do you
Quarterly
listen
means,
to
ma'am?
music?
What it means, quarterly?
6 months, once in a 6 months.
Okay. It's half yearly, ma'am.
It's not quarterly, sir.
No, no, not at all. If you visit
Okay.
somewhere once in a 3 month, then you can say it is quarterly visit.
Oh, sorry, sir.
It's a half yearly visit, ma'am. Isn't it?
Half year. Yes, sorry, sir. Half year.
Yes.
How often do you listen to music?
The music of what kind? Songs?
Yeah, songs.
I never listen to music. That kind of music.
See, yes, many times he has told about it. I think in
Yes,
the batch.
sir.
So, what type of music do you like?
Whom are you
I
asking?
like a religious.
Yes, religious music. Like Sabad. Right, Mrs.?
Yeah. Yeah, sir. You know about it, sir?
Of course. And I
I'm
have
very
been
happy.
I have been to the Gurudwara many times when Sabad is going on, and I enjoy
Oh,
it
great.
being there.
Great, sir.
And my mom also enjoys it very much.
Oh, so sweet, sir.
How often do you go out with friends?
Good questions you are asking, Manya.
I go out once in a 15 days, twice in a month.
Twice in a month.
Thank you, Mrs. Veer. It's over.
Who is
Thank you.
your who will be your next participant for your survey
Sir
questionnaire?
Rajesh,
Rajesh sir.
Yes, yes, Manya.
how often do you brush your teeth?
Almost,
Almost
almost daily I brush my teeth.
almost daily means he misses sometimes.
No, no, sir.
You use sir almost.
I misses never.
You never miss, then you should not use almost. When you use almost means it is not completely every day. Sometimes you miss it.
Okay, sir.
The use of almost gives this sense. Sir.
Yes, sir.
I can say I almost brush my teeth every day. I can say.
I brush my teeth every day.
Yes. But I almost brush my teeth every day, almost every day. I brush my teeth almost every day. Means I sometimes miss it. I really sometimes miss it.
Yes, yes.
When it is a holiday, when I don't have to meet anybody, when I don't have to attend, means take the classes.
Okay, sir.
How often do you practice speaking?
Practice.
Yeah, practice your English speaking.
Daily. I practice daily.
How long, sir?
It depends on time, sir. I
Sorry.
I try to practice it on daily. Practice it daily.
Okay.
How often do you eat non-veg?
Most actually I do not like non-veg, but I take for once in a fortnight. Yeah, I take it fortnightly. I take it fortnightly.
You take it fortnightly.
Sorry, sir, what's it mean?
15 दिन पर. Fort,
15
FORT, NIGSTLY.
I take it fortnightly. Fortnightly.
But
How often?
in day to day conversation you should use better. I take it every 15 days.
Take it every 15 days. Yes, sir.
That's better to say.
Yes, sir.
How often do you visit your hometown?
Almost once in a year. Generally, generally, and whenever it requires, then I go to my hometown.
How often do you listen to music?
I like music, but not. I listen it on daily. But whenever I feel, yeah, I have free time, then I prefer to listen music.
Yeah, he likes music very much, especially old songs, but he doesn't get time to listen to it on regular basis. But
Yes,
whenever he feels like or he has some free time, he tries to listen to the
yes,
songs of his own his choice. Right, sir?
yes, yes, sir.
How often do you go out with friends?
Generally, I do not prefer to go out in these COVID days. Uh, so I do not like in these days
Yeah,
to
I do
go
not
out.
like going out. I generally stay in. Go out, stay in.
Stay in. Yes, sir.
घर पे ही रहना. Stay in means घर पे
Yes,
रहना.
yes, sir.
Stay up, जागते रहना.
Stay up.
रात जागते रहना.
Thank you, Rajesh, sir. My question is done.
I stayed up whole night yesterday.
Stayed up
Why,
that.
sir?
I was preparing some new study materials for the grammar batch that I am going to start on the 5th, and
Okay.
yeah, for reading comprehension. Yeah, who else is going to ask questions for the survey next after Manya?
May I, sir?
Yes, of course, sir. Rajesh sir wants.
First of all, Mrs. Veer.
Not
Yes,
over.
please.
Oh,
Oh,
Manya.
Manya is not over. She wants to ask some more people. Okay,
Okay,
sorry,
okay,
Manya. Sorry.
okay, okay.
Continue, please, Manya.
Sir, now I am asking from Prakash, sir.
Okay, I am asking Prakash sir, not I am asking from. It is wrong. I am asking Prakash sir.
Yeah, sir, I am asking Prakash, sir.
Okay, Prakash sir, ready for Manya's questions?
I am
Yes.
ready.
Okay, continue, please. Start, Manya.
How often do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth twice every day.
How often do you practice your English speaking?
Normally, I used to talk English in my office.
I used to talk in English in my office.
Yes, I used to talk in English in my office.
How often do you eat non-veg?
I take it weekly.
How often do you visit your hometown?
I visit hometown once or twice in a year.
My hometown.
My hometown.
How often do you listen to music?
Every day I listen music in morning running.
Listen
Morning
to
running.
music. Listen to music.
Every day I listen to music in morning run.
How often do you go out with friends?
I go out with friends in twice in a week.
Thank you, Prakash sir. My question is done.
Do you want to involve any other participant in your survey, Manya?
Yes, sir.
Whom do you?
Sir, Mr. Abhishek.
Abhishek. Can you hear? Abhishek, respond. Keep your mic unmuted because Manya is supposed to ask you the questions now regularly.
Okay, sir.
Manya, start.
How often do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth every.
How often do you practice your English speaking?
Asking so many questions only with one question word how often must have made your skill of asking questions with how often very much perfect, right? Everybody.
Right, sir.
I think Abhishek is not able to unmute his mic because of the internet problem. Would you like to conduct the survey with anybody else, Manya? Because Abhishek is not comfortably available at the moment.
Sir, Mr. Tejasvi.
Tejaswa,
Yes.
you chose to put Rajnandani on the last position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
How often do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth once in a day.
I thought he is going to say once in a month.
I
No,
was
sir.
also, sir.
Once in a day, sir.
Okay, please continue, both of you. It was just a joke, dirty wala.
How often do you practice your English speaking?
I practice my English speaking one time in a day.
How often do you eat non-veg?
I am a vegetarian. I never eat non-veg.
You are
So how
missing.
often do you
Oh,
eat,
give me a high five, teacher.
Okay.
how often do you eat paneer?
Paneer.
I eat paneer 15 days. In a 15 days.
Once in a 15 days. Once in 15 days.
Yes.
Once in 15
One.
days.
Vegetarian not only eat paneer. Eat other things. Yes, ma'am.
How often do you visit your hometown?
I live in my hometown, so I have not visit any hometown.
I live in my
How
hometown itself. In my hometown
Yes.
itself. अपने hometown में ही रहता हूँ. I live in my hometown itself.
Yes, sir.
how often do you listen to music?
I listen to music while I am taking my breakfast or dinner.
How often do you go out with friends?
I go out with my friends twice a week.
Thank you, Tejas. My question is done.
Would you like to conduct the survey with Rajnandani also, Manya?
Yes, sir.
Rajnandani, can you hear? Yes.
Sir.
She is unmuted. Yes.
How often do you brush your teeth? I brush my teeth every day. How often do you practice your English speaking? I practice my English speaking daily.
With whom?
How often?
With whom, Rajnandani?
With my sister.
Okay, does she speak English?
Yes, sir.
Great. And how has she learned?
to go classes.
Okay. Continue, Manya.
How often do you eat non-veg? I never eat non-veg.
She is
You are a
also
vegetarian.
she is also of the like of Mrs. Veer.
What, sir?
Rajnandani is also non-vegetarian. Sorry, complete vegetarian, Mrs. Veer.
Okay, give me a high five.
Excuse me, sir.
Excused, sir. You are excused, sir.
It is mandatory to ask questions with how often only.
No, sir. You can ask in the other way as also if you have any other idea.
All the participants are asking question by using
It is
it.
not
How often?
mandatory.
How often?
That's why I said that after everybody finishes, I would like to conduct the survey,
Actually, it
so
is
that
very monotonous, sir. It
yeah,
is,
it
I am
has
feeling
become
very
monotonous.
monotonous.
It has become monotonous. It could have been made a little more interesting, but
Okay.
and that's why I
But
said after everybody
yes,
finishes, I would like to
actually,
conduct the survey.
I made questions, but by not using how often.
Yeah,
My question is very
you
different.
can conduct the same survey in your own way, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Manya, continue please with the with
How,
Rajna.
how do you eat paneer?
Do you eat paneer?
Yes.
It's
I
a question.
sometimes eat paneer. How often do you visit your hometown? I live in my hometown itself.
She is a very quick learner. Rajnandini is a very quick learner. She grasps the thing very easily, comfortably, and very fast. A few
How
moments
often
before only I
Actually, she
say,
is a very good listener, sir.
yes, she is a very
That's
good
why.
listener. That's why she is a good learner. Of course, sir, I agree with you.
how often do you listen to music? I hardly listen to music. How often do you go out with friends? I never go out with friends. Thank you, Raj Nandini. My question is done. But now it's over.
Okay. See, there is a little problem that early in the morning, some bhajan is played in the temple nearby my house, and the sound of that bhajan is caught by my mic, and because of that bhajan sound, somebody has given copyright claim to my one of videos, and he is demanding money because the video my videos have started getting some ads.
What? How mad?
Right now YouTube has sent me a notification by email that your video adjective different kinds and uses part 3 may have content that is owned or licensed by Compass CS and IPRCCS, but it is still available on YouTube. In some cases ads may appear next to it. If this is your performance of a third party song, then you can still make money from this video, and click here to change your monetization settings.
How mad? How free people are.
Really, what can I do if the bhajan is being played so loudly in the temple? Definitely the mic will catch it. Now from the next day, some mullah will just come and claim that your video is showing your video is playing my azan voice. Now give me the money because some ads are coming on your videos.
For this, sir, Vinay sir is here, sir. Don't worry.
Sorry, sir.
Vinay sir is here, sir. Don't worry.
Yes. People are crazy. Means anyhow they want to make money by hook
Yes.
or by crook.
By hook or by
Yeah.
crook.
Yes. So I think it is time for us to wrap it up for today. and the same survey can be conducted tomorrow, sir.
Monday.
Okay, Monday, though it will be very long, so we can continue for 10 more minutes if Rajesh sir wants.
Yes, sir. I may fatafat.
Yes sir, yes sir, please.
Again Hindi, sir.
Again Hindi, yes.
Okay, so first of all, obviously, Mrs. Veer,
Mrs. V.
Yes, please.
do you have a hobby?
Yes, this is a nice way to conduct the survey.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes. I'm thinking about my hobbies
Okay, but
because
it
I
means
have killed my
you
all the
don't.
hobbies.
It means you don't have any hobby.
Yeah, you can say. No,
Okay,
I have hobbies like do musty with family, tease someone. These are my hobbies.
okay. Means you spend your time with your family. It's your hobby.
Not time spending. It like doing something naughtiness.
Okay.
That is my hobby. Yeah.
Playing pranks, sararte karna, play pranks.
How often do
Playing
you
pranks.
listen music? How often do you listen music?
So I hardly ever listen to music like songs, Hindi,
Okay.
Punjabi, English, yeah, every.
Do you,
But
do you
I
like watch?
listen to, yeah, I like bhajans, but and I listen to every day. Listen to every day.
Okay. Do you like watch movies?
Yes, I like watching movies.
In which place do you prefer to go if you get free air tickets?
Sorry, in which
In which
country?
in which place do you prefer
Okay.
to go if you get free air tickets?
I will go, if you talk about India, I will go Goa. And if anybody gave me free tickets for international tour, then I will go Switzerland.
Okay.
There is very hissing sound from
But it
someone's
is
side.
mandatory to get free air tickets. Then you will go.
Yeah, no, I can go by purchasing my
Okay.
own
But my
card.
but my question is, in which place do you prefer to go if you get free air tickets?
I told sir that if anybody gave me free tickets for Indian tour, then I will prefer go to Goa.
Yes.
And if they give international free tickets, then I will prefer Switzerland.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Uh,
Manya, mute
my
your mic, darling.
my next
No.
question is, if you were Prime Minister of India,
Hmm.
what will your first priority to change the education system of our country?
I think, Mr. Rajesh, we have a question in a free time. Right, sir?
Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. You are right. Absolutely right.
So I need to give the answer to this question or not?
No.
Okay.
How often do you go out with your friends?
I go out with my friends twice a month.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for asking.
Dinesh sir,
Sir,
do you have a hobby?
yes. Uh, my hobby is reading storybooks and comics.
Which hobbies are the cheapest
Yes,
in point of
Mr.
view, in your
What
opinion?
did you say, Mr. Rajesh?
Which hobbies are the cheapest in your opinion?
Yes, sir. Reading a storybooks is the very cheapest.
Okay.
Cheapest or inexpensive?
Not except expensive.
Do you like watch movies?
Yes, I like very much.
In which place do you prefer to go if you get free air tickets?
I will prefer to go Ooty.
Ooty. And how often do you go for outing with your friends?
Twice in a week, I go outside.
Go out, not outside.
Yes, sorry, go out.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
uh, do you have a hobby?
Uh, yes, I have.
Okay.
Uh,
How often do you listen music?
Listen to music.
Listen to music.
every day.
Do you like watch movies?
Yes, I like to watch movies.
In which place do you prefer to go if you get free air tickets?
If I get free tickets, I prefer to go Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
What
How
makes you
often
feel like going to Netherlands, Abhishek?
Uh, it's old town and it's a uh, windmill that attracts me a lot.
Do you know what is the literal word meaning of Netherlands?
Uh,
It's not neither.
Sir.
We Indians pronounce it neither. It's a Netherland. Okay.
Netherlands.
Yeah. What is the meaning of Netherland?
The place of windmills, sir.
No. Netherland means lower part of any land.
Oh.
Continue, sir. Please continue.
Okay, sir. How often do you go outing with your friends?
Once in a month.
Okay, thank you. Manya,
Yes, Raju.
do you have a hobby?
Yes.
How often do you listen music? Listen to music, sorry. How often do you listen to music?
When I feel like alone,
In which place do you prefer to go if you get free air tickets?
London.
Do you like watch movies?
Yes.
How often do you go for outing with your friends?
Once in a week.
Okay, thank you. Next, Raj Nandini.
Yes.
Do you have a hobby?
No.
Now she closed every
How
way.
she likes her.
She closed every way of Rajesh sir's asking question. Now she's clearly saying, "Don't ask me any more questions, sir," by saying no directly. Rajesh sir, how are you feeling?
No, sir, it's okay. Sir. How often do you listen to music?
Actually, sir, advocates are habitual of these kind of responses.
Thank you. Very much.
What Mrs. Veer said, did you listen to her, Rajesh sir? She said Miss Rajesh sir is habitual.
If the
Listen.
advocate,
Not
actually
specifically
she was saying
Rajesh, sir,
something.
every
She
advocate.
was,
Every advocate is.
actually, she was saying something about advocate.
Yes, yes.
That's why I don't have any problem, sir.
Okay.
I would be advocate.
Okay, nice. Okay.
Okay, Rajanandini, how often do you listen to music? Sorry,
I hardly listen to music.
Acha, hardly listen. Do you watch movies? Do you like to do you like watch movies?
Do you like watching movies?
Do you like watching movies?
Yes.
Don't like
In which place do you prefer to go if you get free air tickets?
I want to go if there's
I've been out of my own city.
Sorry.
I want to go any place.
Any place. Okay. How often do you go for outing with your friends?
I
She doesn't have any friend.
Okay, thank you. My next, maybe Sanaya is now not here.
No, Sanaya is not present today.
Tejas.
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 Sir,
Okay. Do you have a hobby?
yes, sir.
Yes. How often do you
My
listen to
hobbies
music?
are
Okay.
I listen to music while I am taking my dinner.
My hobbies are listening to music over dinner.
Yes, sir.
My hobby is listening to music over dinner. Over dinner means dinner के दौरान.
Yes. Do you like watching movies?
No, sir. I hardly watch.
Which place do you prefer to go if you get free air tickets?
I would like to go to London.
Okay. Last question is how often do you go for outing with your friends? How often do you go for outing with your friends?
I've been a week with my friend
Okay.
for outing.
Thank you. Sir, my
Thank you.
actually, okay, thank you. Almost done, sir.
Okay, you conducted it, sir.
Yes, sir, I
Yeah,
conducted.
there was a variety in your questions and the way of asking questions. Okay, the remaining members will conduct the survey on Monday, and after everybody finishes, I would like to conduct the same survey if you people allow.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
But
thank you.
sir, what the question people have asked,
Sorry, Mrs.
these
B.
are not related to frequency.
Yes, we will. I will ask the questions related to frequency, but I will not let it be monotonous. Okay, I will try and keep it full of varieties, and that's why I want to
Okay.
teach you. I want to teach you the way of conducting survey without making it monotonous. So I want to conduct the survey after everybody finishes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think we should wrap it up now for today. We should call it for a day today, right?
oh,
Yes, sir.
We should call
yes.
it a
Okay,
day.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Good night. Good night, Rajesh
Good
sir,
night,
Prakash sir,
everyone.
Mrs. Veer, Manya, Tejas, and Rajnandani. Good night, everybody, and take good
Good
care of
night.
yourselves.
Good night, everybody. Good night.
Yes, sir. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
I
Wanna say something, Rajnandani? Hello. Wanna say something, Rajnandani? Hello, dear. Wanna say something?